Dear students, now I'm going to do another question which is given as root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equal to 2 cos 2 theta. In order to solve this, we should take left hand side, which is given as root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. And you can see that this 2 is here, and between this we can take common. This 2 and this 2 can be written as 2. If 2 is taken as common, then in place of 2 you will get 1, and remainder is cos 8 theta. Cos 8 theta. Root under 2 root under 2 plus again root under 2 1 cos 8 theta can be written as cos 2 times 4 theta, because 4 to the 8. Now again root under 2 plus root under 2 1 plus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. In place it looks like cos 2 theta. So formula of cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now you can see that this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. They cancel out each other, and you can see root under 2 plus root under 2 times 2 cos square 4 theta. And this again can be written as root under 2 plus 2 to the 4 cos square 4 theta. And now you can see that root under 2 plus this term can be written as 2 cos 4 theta whole square, and here is the root. So here also this root remains here same, and here also the root is same, and is equal to root under 2. This square will cancel out this one root, so we will get 2 cos 4 theta. 2 cos 4 theta. Again you can see these 2 and these 2 are same, so you can take 2 as common, 2 as common, and you can write 1 plus cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta root under 2 1 plus cos 4 theta can be written as cos 2 dot 2 theta is equal to root under 2 1 plus again cos 2 theta. It looks like cos 2 theta, so you can write in the formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. This one is minus, this one is plus, so they cancel out each other. Now remainder portion is 2 dot 2 cos square 2 theta. So you can write root under 2 to the 4 cos square 2 theta. Again you can write root under 2, this is the square, whole square of 2, and this is cos 2 theta can be written as whole square. This whole square will cancel out the root, so you will get 2 cos 2 theta, which is our required answer. Hence it is the right hand side proved.